A 20-car garage, a yacht pier, and 5 swimming pools, Messi's new mansion oozes luxury and comfort. It features everything you can ever possibly think of. Join us as we take a closer look at the player's insane $50 million house construction plan. Before we get started, you should know that Messi is living quite comfortably in his $5 million penthouse in Miami, but architect Jose thinks otherwise. He thinks that the football captain can do much better. Jose decided to build Messi the mansion of his dreams after his move to Inter Miami. He posted the photos online and fans from all over the world have been swarming his Instagram with words of appreciation. But is it worth the hype? Keep watching to find out. A tour of the mansion. Dubbed the Messi Mansion, the property is an architectural marvel located in Miami on an exclusive ship-shaped island so that the paparazzi aren't snooping around. The mansion reportedly spans over 4,000 square meters. In other words, it's enormous. At first glance, it's clear that Jose used Messi's logo as the inspiration for the project. The iconic M is seamlessly blended into the mansion's design and can be seen much better from an aerial view. As for the building itself, the mansion sprawls across 3 stories. Outside, you'll find not 1, not 2, but 5 swimming pools so Messi can go for a swim whenever and wherever he wants. There's also a soccer pitch because there's no downtime for a player like the Atomic Flea. You'll also find a tennis court because what's a luxury mansion without one? Other than that, the property features 3 helipads and a sizable dock for Messi's many yachts. Jose didn't forget the account for his car collection as well. There's a sprawling car garage which has enough space to house Messi's $60 million car collection. But that's not even the most amazing thing about this jaw-dropping property. You have to watch to the end to find out about what makes this mansion so unique. The entire estate is lined with palm trees, creating a green utopia with breathtaking views. On the roof, you'll find an even more ethereal garden, offering the more serene views and a breath of fresh air. Safe to say, if Messi feels like taking a walk on this exclusive island in the middle of the night, he'll find plenty of options. A look at the main building. Once you step inside the main building, you'll find a games room so that Messi and his 3 sons never run out of things to do. A home theater makes sure that the family has the most luxurious movie experience ever. There's also an exquisite party room where Messi can celebrate his wins and the family can make unforgettable memories. All in all, there's no shortage of entertainment options. And as if that wasn't amazing enough, the mansion also boasts out-of-the-world 360-degree views of the surroundings. All in all, the entire property has been designed, keeping Messi and his needs in mind. However, a few things on internet think otherwise, saying that the player would never prefer something this flashy. The football star is yet to comment on the house, and until he does, Jose and the rest of the internet shall be waiting patiently. Cost of the mansion. Of course, all of this doesn't come cheap. For a mansion this big and amazing, the price tag is expected to be in the millions, and that it is. According to reports, Messi's humble new abode cost around $50 million to construct. But money is no object for a man like Lionel Messi, who has $600 million to his name. Messi looks at houses. Well, hold your horses, Messi isn't moving into his dream house just yet. Instead, he's eyeing an even better luxury home in the exclusive Boca Raton region. The property is located 25 minutes away from the DRV PNK Stadium in Fort Lauderdale, which is going to be Messi's second home now. For those of you who don't know, he's linked up with MLS side Inter Miami as a free agent, which is why he's looking for new homes in the region. He's reportedly toured the property in Boca Raton with his wife and 3 sons. There's a high chance that Messi will get himself the keys to this one because it's close to the stadium, and since it's already constructed, Messi and his family can quickly move in. And lastly, it comes with a putting green. Of course, this one ain't gonna come cheap either, but Messi is expected to earn $50 to $60 million per season at Inter Miami, so it doesn't look like he'll be worrying about his finances anytime soon. What's more, Messi's already got himself an impressive real estate portfolio. He's got a lavish mansion in Barcelona and over 6 houses in the heart of Italy. What's one more? And that's all for today. What do you think about the mansion? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Bye now.